Shanaytimpishka, the Boiling River. The Shanaytimpishka, often referred to as the Boiling River, is one of the most extraordinary natural wonders in the world. Nestled in the Amazon rainforest of Peru, this river flows with water that reaches temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius. Its unique characteristics and the mysteries surrounding it have captivated researchers, adventurers, and nature enthusiasts alike. The Shanaytimpishka is located in the Amazon basin, specifically in the Madre de Dios region of Peru. This area is renowned for its biodiversity, hosting a wealth of flora and fauna. The river runs through a remote part of the rainforest, making it relatively inaccessible. The journey to the river often requires hiking through dense jungle, crossing streams, and navigating challenging terrain. This isolation has helped preserve the river and its surroundings, allowing it to remain a natural marvel. The most striking feature of the Shanaytimpishka is its scalding temperatures. Unlike typical hot springs, where volcanic activity heats the water, the Boiling River is thought to be heated by geothermal activity deep beneath the Earth's crust. Researchers believe that the river's temperature is influenced by tectonic movements and magma activity in the region. The river flows through a landscape dotted with hot springs and geothermal features. The heat from these sources gradually raises the temperature of the water, creating a river that can scald anyone who dares to enter it. The boiling temperature not only poses a risk to human life but also creates a unique ecosystem that is adapted to extreme conditions. The environment around the Shanaytimpishka is unique due to its extreme temperatures. While the boiling water makes it inhospitable for many species, some organisms have adapted to thrive in such conditions. Microbial life, particularly thermophilic bacteria, can be found in the river. These organisms are capable of surviving in high temperatures and contribute to the river's ecosystem in ways that are still being studied. The surrounding rainforest is rich in biodiversity, with countless species of plants and animals. The heat from the river influences the local climate, creating microhabitats that support various forms of wildlife. Birds, insects, and other fauna have adapted to the humid, warm environment and the unique conditions of the river and to the ecological complexity of the area. For the indigenous communities living near the Shanaytimpishka, the river holds significant cultural and spiritual importance. The Ashaninka and other local tribes have long revered the river, viewing it as a sacred entity. They believe that the river has the power to heal and that it is a source of life and energy. Traditional practices in the region often incorporate the river's water, using it for rituals, medicine, and spiritual ceremonies. The indigenous people have a deep understanding of their environment, and their relationship with the Shanaytimpishka reflects a reverence for nature. They have developed sustainable practices that allow them to coexist with the river and its surrounding ecosystem, ensuring its preservation for future generations. The Shanaytimpishka has attracted the attention of scientists and researchers interested in studying its unique properties. The river serves as a natural laboratory for examining the effects of extreme temperatures on biological systems. Researchers have explored its geothermal features, the adaptability of life in boiling conditions, and the potential for new discoveries in medicine and biotechnology. One of the most intriguing aspects of the river is the potential for undiscovered species. Many microorganisms that thrive in extreme environments have applications in various fields, including medicine, bioengineering, and environmental science. The The study of the Shanaytimpishka could lead to breakthroughs in understanding extremophiles and their potential uses. The Boiling River has become a destination for adventurous travelers seeking to witness its inspiring beauty. Trekking to the Shanaytimpishka offers an unforgettable experience, with the journey through the lush Amazon rainforest being as thrilling as the destination itself. Guided tours provide insights into the river's natural history, the indigenous cultures, and the surrounding biodiversity. The Shanaytimpishka, the boiling river of Peru, is a remarkable natural wonder that exemplifies the beauty and complexity of the Amazon rainforest. Its extreme temperatures, unique ecosystem, and cultural significance make it a site of great interest for scientists, adventurers, and conservationists alike. Protecting this extraordinary river is vital not only for the indigenous communities that live nearby but also for the health of the planet. As we continue to explore and understand the Shanaytimpishka, we must also commit to preserving its wonders for future generations.